Most synths in Ableton use samples or oscillators, but Tension, it uses math. While you're pressing notes, it solves real-time physics equations to build string sounds from scratch. No audio files, no loops, just raw simulation. You get full control over every part of the instrument. The exciter simulates how the string is played, bowed like a violin, struck like a piano, or picked like a guitar. The damper lets you mute the string like your palm damping a fretboard. The string itself responds with real vibration and decay, not faked, not filtered, but modeled from physical properties. The termination adjusts finger position, pressure, and fret interaction, shaping the tone like you're playing a real instrument. Want to move the pickup like on an electric guitar? You can. Want a tiny resonator or a massive cello body? Tension lets you pick the size and shape of the instrument's body and sound chamber. You can even dial in how stiff the string is, or how hard the player attacks. Want a bowed piano, a hammered violin, a plucked cello running through pickups? Tension makes it possible. You're not stuck recreating reality. You can stretch it. If you're into sound design, hybrid scoring, or strange expressive textures, Tension is one of the most underrated tools in Ableton. Want to master Tension and other sound design tools in Live? Comment Ableton, and we'll DM you the link.